Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I was thinking about doing a get ready with me for work because I'm going to work. That was totally not my phone. Yeah, I thought it would be fun to do this video and you guys could see how I get ready for work and the kind of makeup looks I do. If you're new to my channel today, then welcome. I'm glad you could join me, myself, and I today. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can see whenever I put out a new video. And with that being said, let's get to this tutorial. Okay, so in this video I'm gonna take a break from doing voiceovers and I'm just gonna talk how I used to talk in my videos and see if the video turns out a little better. So sometimes I mix primers, which I'm gonna be mixing the Professional from Benefit and then Becca's Backlight, what's that say? Backlight Priming Filter Primer. And I put these in two different places on my face. I hope this video isn't long. I really hope it's not long. Professional is gonna go right here over my pores. And then the Becca primer, that one's gonna go. I'm just gonna put these this primer everywhere else. I literally chest cleaned my brush and it's like 10 pounds heavier. Again, I have no idea. Okay, so I usually can never get my foundation color right, but I'm gonna try this one and I think it might work because most of the time my foundation is way warmer than I think my skin actually is. Because I think I'm more of a neutral kind of, I think I have more of a neutral undertone on my skin. This one is just the Mary Kay Time Wise Luminous Wear Liquid Foundation in the shade Beige 2. And I like this because it's luminous and it actually makes your skin glow. Believe it or not. This actually does have some warm tones in it, but it's not overwhelming, you know? Not too heavy either. This is definitely a medium coverage. My hair is looking kind of crazy right now, but I'm actually going to fix it up later for you guys. So prepare to be blessed by my hair skills. Okay, let me try and conceal this bitch up. I always tell myself not to touch my face because it'll show the next day, especially when I'm about to make a video. But I get really tempted to. I don't know, I have no self-control. Okay, now this is the same concealer I was using, but the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer, and I got it in the shade Neutralizer. Is that even a shade, Neutralizer? I'm gonna highlight with this. Okay, so what I'm gonna do next, I usually will contour right after highlighting, but I'm gonna do my eyebrows first. I'm using the one I always use, which is the L'Oreal Brow Stylist, and I think I got brunette, yeah, brunette. And I'm only doing this lightly in my eyebrows because I don't want them to be too dark, especially because my hair is way lighter now. So I'm just gonna fill them in really lightly. Okay, so that's what I'm doing for my eyebrows. They came out alright. Not as best as I wanted, but it's okay. I didn't really do much, so can't really expect anything from it. Okay, this is a steal of a deal. I picked this up at Walmart from the brand Hard Candy, which is an alright brand. I've heard people complain about it, but I saw they had a cream contour stick and I like cream contours. So I picked it up and I've been using it ever since, and it works very, very well. Also, another thing is that cream cream contours, they blend well, straight on top of liquid foundation before you put any powder on or anything. Sometimes when I'm like this pasty looking, I'm like, I need it like to get some type of tan. This is really weird, but I buy foundation color and I make sure it's darker than my actual skin color because that kind of like forces me to go out and get some type of spray tan or tan or whatever, and it never works out. So here I am going back to a lighter shade of foundation. Okay, I'm just going to put a little bit of my Airspun loose face powder, just a little bit. I'm trying to look powdery. What do I really want to get? I want to buy that Laura Mercier translucent powder. It's like on my bucket list right now. My bucket list of makeup. I'm taking way longer than I told myself I would. Oh my god, it's 2:40. I told myself I'd be done with my makeup at this time. This is like my everyday struggle. I'm gonna put some blush on. This is the same one I used in my last video, the Tarte birthday. Oh wait, no, it's just called Party. So my highlighter, it's from ColourPop. I need to find a better brush for my highlighter though, because I feel like there's better ones out there. It actually does help though when you spray. Taking Mario Badescu. This is the facial spray, so I'm gonna use that as my setting. Okay, I'm using my peach palette today from Too Faced. Okay, I'm gonna mix colors today. I'm mixing Candy Peach, that pink one, and Summer Yum, and let's see what color comes out. It's kind of like fiery in a way. I didn't plan out this look, so let's see how it goes. I'm gonna mix Caramelized and Tempting and put that in the outer corners. But I'm also gonna pull the caramelized one and try and pull that on the crease right here. I smell like peaches. I'm gonna put Luscious. That's gonna go on my lid. Let's do these. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, I'm putting Nectar, which is this one. That's going like right in the corner. Now this is the Tempting, that dark color. I'm gonna put a color underneath my bottom lash line. I'm gonna go with the mixing Caramelized and Yum together. I don't want to do wing today. I'm just gonna line the top. Okay, that's done. Mascara, Telescopic from L'Oreal. L'Oreal's Telescopic Mascara. When I put fake eyelashes on, I don't like do my lashes as good because I'm just gonna cover them up anyways. Okay, now I'm gonna put my fake eyelashes on. I just gotta choose which one I want to put on today. Okay, I'm gonna go for my Salon Perfect 615 lashes. I literally buy all my makeup, most of it, from the drugstore. This is really hard, so sorry if I go out of frame. Okay, I got them on. It was a little bit difficult, but I got them. Okay, so for my lipstick, I'm using Dior Cosmetics Hydra Matte in the shade Sedona. I think it's gonna look really good with this look. And my sweater too, because it has some red in it. This is like a red orange. Isn't this the cutest shade ever? I think it goes pretty good with the look. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna go off screen, straighten my hair, make it look all fabulous, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm all done. Straighten my hair. It's not looking ratchet anymore. Thank God. Okay, so this is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I thought it'd be kind of fun to film, kind of like a get ready with me. Well, I'm going to work, so a get ready with me for work video. Let me know if you guys want to see like more of these videos, because I do a different look like every day, so I can just film them and just upload them. Okay, so yeah, that's about it. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment. And I will see you guys in my next video.